You know what? I'm leaving you for Christ's sake, okay? I can't continue to live under this condition of poverty. In fact, you are just totally broke. When you car, when you need to go for shoes now.
Jordan one.
And you let down. Only she account me. When you car, when I drip lord. And look one on Meboa. Listen, I bet now which I'm calling Nash or the whole point is I'm having a client. Again, it's too basa. Excuse me.
I beg, bro, listen. I've told you countless times that you have to no. This is the deal, right? I've told you countless times to make sure that you go and register on OneXBet. You're a scholar, just download the app from Google Store or App Store and make sure that you download the app and register with the peer pressure promo code Vision 2020. It's the same thing we are winning with. Ask your girl who gave her the 2K for that shopping. It was me.
I bore you about all this thing. You see, we can download the app and then register with the promo code Vision 2020.
Exactly, man. You know what? Just do and get money, but right now I'm going to chill with you, girl. Your money is mine now.
I'm sorry. Broke
it's not about tripping. It's about being the cool boy.
OneXBet, you don't let me.
Excuse me.
And you know, but this grabber, why? OneXBet and this grabber.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
One you need to one you call rock and tell off Velcra. Next time, anything you see, let it be for your eyes only, not your mouth to speak. I know to next time, anything I speak, see him, there must make an article. I'm a coro. And then I'm here more business. Wow, Mamma, I'll go there, your base. Wow, only said the minute to Jim or Regis. Wow, Mamma. With their maker was it.
Love got you.
Yeah. You don't know Inter. I would win him Inter.
Kyekyeku.
Yes.
Love got you.
My toe don't buy. Yeah.
There be ya. Tetia mutso. Aden. Unkwa we aba maben. Me sa ko mechi me da ment na awale fun we ho.
Adie no one pay your crab one pair. Mo be am pressure. Pim call on strong man best strength. School girl CP needs to buy open now for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. Morning break and Satanya back here 240. Peer pressure, it be real so I can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the cancel, trying to 7 flex yeah no one nearby. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what you say yeah my pa. Be any fear free to ye be a do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And I say peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Pressure. Be any fear free to ye be a dream too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a dream too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And I say peer pressure before.
God bless.
Wow.
God bless me there.
Oh, see that.
Nah, where are they on?
Oh, refuse. Yeah, practicals we cry. I make quite a year to watch and that's been. I'm refuse cry. It's not cool no more. Yeah, be a. I'm sorry, they may find your shame. My wow. Oh,
God bless.
Wow.
Because I may have alone.
Oh, somehow I'm now cry. So practicals na yeah. And I'm really feeling come out watching it. You know, if you are me free, never pay so for me sit down with me.
What's the winning one?
Also my children, it damages the lungs. Men no man say, hey, my hair one yard.
Yes, who dear, it's me saying, only it me. I may catch her. So what's starting room for name any beer? Fini. You're careful, pa. Had they wait.
So papa who says asɛm ɛbɛbɛ fie nya papa.
Oh, you mean so madam. My anybody some practicals be a year school respiratory system. When no matter the beja or come near, you know, if you are on the same bag, when one of the back class. And our boys not coming on the same bag. But we know that from a sound. Show me a man. Oh,
and yes, abashabon in the yemi. And I do me fancy papa. I mean per se. And to quite nothing be a bit hand. Mr. Woonim na yen na papa who side we. Oh, near mamma be said the mimic who yena. Or some papa.
oh my, Memphis, we
will to me. I don't know who you show ye. And I was starting on go for no bonny.
Mother, you, Mom, maybe do. Maybe that. We may cook the first met someone inside into a practical. Or my farmer teaching you on the assembly bag, Mamma. Man, met someone in Pesard and crown.
So would not film on our body woman. Do not be here with you.
Provided
we will not be here so.
Some blood from one.
Doggy, Mamma can be being slow. Men possess idea women who be ever on champion. Listen, who be more on China than my papa swanted. There's a lot that soon read Jot name standing near my name and show me. The nephew.
Ma, what should I make man of me? No, be do. My person, but that.
Now, my catcher will be. Mr. Mommy who be being. Oh, name him. May catch him. Make what watch me. Now the mammy who said in the room can
School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. Morning break, a Satania back you 240. Peer pressure, it rose one can't see me never found yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became more good for the council, trying to 7 flags. I know the other.
Douglas.
Douglas.
Huh? What bra wouldn't him say? What you school? As I said, no mamma, no woman, I could then I may ask the class, or why wouldn't him? The dad is a tad crowd which is only a rimpo. Hey, Douglas, shall we be you?
So, I was my papa to school 3 years. So I was a baby and a Jim home make a crown. Yeah, you that.
Who be face of Jew home make a crack? What be school young for then Yamiasino? Who I saw Jew home make a crack?
That was 3 years now. It's near the exams near the dinner a barbecue channel. We see me near the intimate window. Until after my baby and I was all to my son to meet that a crack. Oh,
look at this boy. Yeah, quite so you could then yanko pass in where it's a daka crack.
That's my son and daka crack, my bro.
You,
my exams name you.
You, Konakoda, why? Quote Nekoda, Douglas, quote Nekoda. Why? I am here, pa. What a Konakoda? What? Koda.
Girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. Morning break, a Satania back you 240. Peer pressure, it rose one can't see me never found yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became more good for the council, trying to 7 flags. I know the other. Sugar mama phone a date or no didn't come out. What you say, yeah, my pack to be any fear free to a baby. I get it too. Now for some, you anywhere to stay.
What have I even gotten myself into? Mimi is so stubborn. Mimi is stubborn. We could have done this simply at the hospital. No, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I can't even stay in school. Oh, by now all the teachers are looking for me. What if my mother comes to look for me? Terrible mistake. Or should I leave this country to Togo or Benin? Dabi. No. God. I'm so confused. So confused. And this thing keeps haunting me each day. That is my worry. It keeps haunting me.
Douglas! Come back here. Douglas, come. Didn't you see me? Not even a good morning.
So that no one will be as he. Just like
Douglas, what is this? A dear Neda for one.
I don't know. Dear Neda for one.
Missy dear Neda from one who catch him saying, I'm sure dear Neda from one.
So,
Douglas, maybe sure dear. Are you mad? Are you mad? Douglas!
No.
What have you become? Oh my God! Will you tell me Bisawa? Who catch him say, a dinner, a deformo? Okay, sir. Who read fever beer at it? Who read fever beer? Who to you? Wouldn't say a wolf to Yamiki. Wouldn't say Yamon yet to do. Who read me a sofa? Who read you, mammy? Wouldn't some mammy a sofa penny? Ah, so for mammy? I don't know where, sir. Ah, woman, besides, so catch him say, me mad the prayer for more. Huh? My friend, free up, come, free money for Papa on the board. Please, free money, so come free up. Get up from my face. Jesus Christ.
Peer pressure, peer pressure,
Lord have mercy.
Peer pressure, peer pressure,
What are you guys planning? What's that?
I go follow. Nobody got you like a land guard man. Baby girl, me feel you. Baby girl, get you man. Baby, hold on.
Let's wait.
Yo, Sandy baby, what's up? Debbie. Debbie.
Yo.
How
My friend is on the queue.
Ah, listen, sir. They're my brother. Take your body. Wait. Come on. Six body. Come for me. Six body. Come for me. Six body. Six body. One for me. I'm a six body. One for me. That's right. Back. Oh, wonderful.
Hey, Hey, what are you looking at?
Yes, baby dance. Okay, twerk for me.
Where are you going?
Okay, baby, dance for me.
Sheila. Why? What's wrong? What's going on here? Why is she leaving? I don't know. Yo, let's go, girl. You're mad.
Vivian.
Fanta the rude boy. Thank you.
Mr. Gwede.
Hey, don't bring yourself. That was then, no. That was too late. Now we are done, so don't bring that name.
Mr. Gwede, don't about one mood. Hey! That's the one I won't keep every other.
I chat with the car dealer. He sent me pictures of some Honda Civic no easy.
Really? What's up?
Guys, since we are now done with school, I think it's time we buy ourselves cars. Because we can't be moving around all the time with Uber boats, dropping and even trotro. Charlie, we're tired of truskies and those things. You can find a guest, do a Mako out at Cochilia. Maybe a Uber near there. Charlie, we for buy cars, but we have the money. Then as you was cash, you living like that's the end of the What's up?
Hey, so do you hear from Alonso, Makonzi?
Oh yeah. Charlie, you know what? Alonso is having a cancer.
Hey!
Serious? Yeah.
What happened?
You know, because of the smoking.
Yeah.
You see, I try my best to advise this guy several times, but still.
The guy smoking. Now you see. That high spirit, he has been to ashes. And now then ashes. High spirit.
You know, say you school on the empire.
High spirit. See, like you talk like you forget the home I come from. You know my puppy, that reverend no. I started to prove rap now. You go business say where I get my money from and stuff. Make you relax. I know you are tired of the bad and good and stuff, but make you relax. More time, you back. Make it chill.
Me, Charlie, I know they agree with you.
Nice friends. I think everybody is right. Why don't we calm down and at the right time we start buying ourselves and the expensive cars and houses? Okay, we should consider his situation now. You know he's coming from a pastoral. So we have to calm down a bit. Okay?
everybody knows that these cameras out there ride in big cars and living in big houses. You don't. The issue is I'm sick and tired of living with my parents. Then you have to get our own apartment, those stuff. At least one car cry is okay. Forget about your papa yourself. What's up?
I did my best, but you know me, I don't smoke. Yeah, I don't smoke. I was just getting with them and we work together. And I don't smoke, you smoke.
Wow, you know, it's okay.
That was like
hey, after school too, I'm just helping my auntie. Oh, this is my auntie.
yeah.
I'm helping her small.
It's good. I don't know that this is crazy. Because I'll be passing around now.
Can I get you some more?
Oh no, I'm cool. You know, I was just passing. I want to see something at the top, and I just saw you have to come and say hello to you.
Oh, okay, that's good of you.
I hope everything cool.
Yeah, you can see for yourself. Everything is cool.
Vivi.
We never change.
Remember that Mabubala told us that we have to do everything together. So if our mindset is not one, you should not go by your own your decision alone. Asa, ultimate fire papa some so for someone me block here sign or card morning down. Me, I do understand your point. When we ride in our own car, we are allowed to. You should also go. But you guys are not kids. You are grown-ups. And they 18, 19, 20. Must say you. Oh,
like I move out with them busy question now. How you go feel and
say where I get the money from?
Right.
Where I get the money from? They say it be my life. At least you are 18, 19, I'm 20.
That's your life. My life with them. My people there go busy me all the time.
Yeah, still hardcore girls now. Hey. Okay, I'm here. Anytime you pass by, just say hi to you.
No problem.
Welcome, okay?
Okay, I'll try to come around to this evening, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Vivi.
Hey, rude boy.
Mr. Wedi.
Oh, God.
Hey. Oh.
Hey yo, OG, let's go. And you raise some of me before. Some of me before. And I do it some of me before. And then make it just one. And you raise some of me before. Some of me before. And I do it some of me before. And then make it just one. Your friend will be there. Now I've been a swan here. So women know see me play. Dream ramming to the time. What did that time you? Sister with the tata me and this one me with the tata me so many boss wanna be you with the tata me.
Yes, dear.
In fact, Subaya Douglas did this time around. In fact, I asked him, na my junior mentiasi. Honey, who see a titia crania misromo? You were great too. I saw them. Yami fee. Now, if you cry, say, I'm on 40 about things, say, I dear me bad Douglas here. And near. Say, it come who fee.
Sheila.
High Spirit.
What was that attitude for?
What for? High Spirit, what do you take me for? Huh? What do you take me for?
Sheila.
Subaya no the word yes. If you saw SS, I'm just saying, I say, me name so didn't walk on now. Me name the apostle. Honey, me damn now.
Yes, I'm good. Honey, the mistress. What's that? What are you doing? You're going to see us some. Douglas, not to say. My name said it was it. No, Sammy, should me bang. Brothers, such as a new be a man can be.
What is the problem? Why are you ranting? We are in public. Now people are here. What's so many months here now?
We are in public. When you were looking at Sandy's butt at the poolside, was that your bedroom? Huh? Tell me, was that your bedroom?
Mr. Why is so nice, Ben? What's so do what dog? I can't battle him. No, soon if they say they weigh him. Say, sign giddy, they waste. For dog action the ben. Need soon a fool. say you didn't be obeying me as
High spirits, wait. I'm beginning to suspect that you were dating my school daughter, Rachel.
Hey.
Yes.
Why are you taking us back?
Of course I would.
Sheila.
I can't trust you. You're not loyal.
Sheila. So that is the reason why you left us at the poolside yesterday. Sheila.
What do you expect me to do?
Nah, I can't be doing that.
You can't be doing what?
Oh,
honey. You must say my main country doggy. So I doggy na my friend fear. What time in cafe any you this yam kwan. Nen name be. Ohun kura na no pe baby didn't tell because we him say and nema we wura musisi no. Many nye ho.
Yes, some
so.
Di. So wadarum. You say me nya adwin bi. This is a place to be an resource ba. So, think I may suggest to say, nka resource ne ba. Na se nyame bo na se bibia ye kan. Nka yem fa ni tukwan. Ebia nyame ya bo na se wo kwa. Meni ho osu ni ho. Kakra ko na ni obesesa. So,
fanning tukwan. Honey,
my own friend.
Listen, babe. I was under the influence of alcohol. Not my fault. Forgive me.
You were under the influence of alcohol. Really? So if I should put myself in that state and go to your friends and try to lure them to look at their private part, would it be okay?
Hey. I know I wouldn't be okay, but you shouldn't take this serious. You know Sandy is your friend and I can't be doing that.
That is my problem. Friends cheat on friends. That is my problem. Sandy is my friend. That is the more reason why you shouldn't look at her in that way.
We are in public.
You know we are in public.
We could have talked about this in the house, not here.
In the house. When you were doing that, did you do that in the house?
It's okay. I was even having some discussion with you, but...
You were having some discussion with me?
I wanted to have discussion with you.
You wanted to?
Yes.
You see how you are fumbling?
We can't do it here. We can do it in the house.
You better find something to tell me.
I'll tell you. Hey, wait.
I'm going to sit at the restaurant.
Douglas.
Trimude kakra. Daddy ho, mommy ho, ska kakra wo fie. Trimude kakra wo mu. Me nyina ka obi no Sunday school life na ka ho. Nti na wo ye de wo ye. Ase wo tu kwan. Wo tu na ewu ni ho, me su ni ho. Let's one no extra go. E bi ko na ni kakra bi obesesa.
Honey.
Di.
I'm in class. And this mean to me for Douglas into kwa. But you know even Ghana hana ene ne tifie ne kra. Ene ma wo ye. Na me dem be kwa blochi.
Douglas, can I ask you something?
Oh, why not? Go on.
Why don't you want to take me to your house?
Same question every day.
What do you mean by same question every day?
I'm watching the met him the nakodi, but me pese ye di ani be hwe mabuchi Hong Kong na ye find solution. Abra ni ne wo hayi. Se be ya kwa ne betima sesa. And the pass over butcher and what's my do. So,
why are you hiding me from knowing your house? Am I not good enough to be your girlfriend that you introduce me to your parents or take me to your house? Sheila and Debbie knows their boyfriends' houses. Except me. You always want to fuck me in a hotel. Why a prostitute?
You are not a prostitute. The problem is my parents. They will not accept you in the house.
Why won't they accept me in the house?
Say, you see a boy no. Ope kokwaye no. It's not in what you see. What can say Amati? You give it a try. Na yen hwe se ne eno so obeye. Ne mumu no. Se ne me kan se. Me ma yen fa ye ni to abuche ne kwa so. Yen hwe ne yen fa kwa bi so na akwa no. Once se free sati. So ati.
Why? If your father is a pastor or whatsoever, does that mean you're going to be single ever? If you don't take me to your house, I will advise myself.
Hey, Sandy, like, give me some time. You know my parents, you know the kind of parents I have. Give me some time.
How can I stay with a guy whom I don't know his house? How?
Oh, Sandy.
What?
Sandy. Sandy. Oh, Sandy. Sandy. Sandy.
Next on Peer Pressure.
Huh? Is that what you're telling me? That I deserve hotel rooms?
Of course.
I regret the first day I made friends with you. Stupid girl.
How?
You are rather stupid.
So who on this earth chose Sandy my place to embarrass me yesterday?
Fresh boy, why do you talk to us as if we are your kids? How dare you? What do you take us for?
Hey, Makonzi. Charlie, I swear I never know say person go complete school candidate has when but they could bap am like this. Hey!
So happy to see you. Princess, I am so sorry I've not been able to come here ever since you got pregnant. I was afraid I would not be welcome to your home.
Cake in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobi and Dada, more in Bradian, no one pay your crab one pair. Mobi and my pressure, him caught on strong man best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Saturday about you 240. Peer pressure, it be real so 1 can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Kyekyeku for the cancel, trying to 7 flex yeah no near back. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what sure say yeah my papa.
Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I be peer pressure be